So it has actually been long I posted on anything on Anupama apart from the teasers, but regardless, on this video we are talking about this episode that is actually currently or will soon happen on the show, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed as we jump to the video of today on Anupama, what we're expecting on the drama where Anupama finally catches the jewelry thief or something like that and exposes the truth in the family. So without wasting your time, let us start the video of today.
In today's episode, Anupama and Bharti ask Sarita why she called them to the jewelry shop. Sarita says she called them for an important reason. Anupama asks Sarita and Anita what could be more important than Bharti's haldi. Sarita explains that she missed wearing gold, which is considered inauspicious, so they want to purchase something for Bharti. Anupama gets emotional and praises Sarita's efforts. She also praises the chawal. Residents Anupama asks Sarita to buy a small ornament. Sarita and Anita decide to buy a ring for Bharti. Anupama then asks Sarita why she came so far to buy gold when there are many shops nearby. A chawal lady explains that the shop is known to them and does not charge making charges, which is why they visited. Sarita thanks Anupama for trusting her. Anupama says that Sarita is not a thief, because if she wanted to steal, she could have taken other jewelry as well, but only a particular necklace went missing. Sarita remarks that the thief is smart. Later, Anupama sees the same necklace at the jewelry shop and confronts the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper tells Anupama that a girl sold the necklace, claiming that her grandmother was sick. Anupama shows Ishani's picture to the shopkeeper and learns the truth. Anupama recalls the past and breaks down, feeling tired of constantly dealing with her children. She then decides to teach Ishani a lesson. Meanwhile, Rahi and Prem walk together. Divakar sees them and assumes that Rahi loves him, but is avoiding him because of Prem. Paritosh dreams of having money. Kinjal asks Paritosh to come out of his dream and says he's the only father who keeps dreaming of Pari's separation. Paritosh says that no matter what happens, he will start his real estate business. Anupama and others celebrate Bharti and Varun's haldi ceremony. Divakar watches Rahi and Prem romancing and gets jealous. Anupama performs the haldi ritual and blesses Bharti. Bharti gets emotional. Anupama lays a trap for Ishani and asks her to give the shagun to Bharti. Ishani looks confused. Anupama calls Ishani a super actor. Ishani is shocked to see the same necklace. Meanwhile, Vasundhara plans Prathna's baby shower. Parag decides to invite the Shahs, which offends Vasundhara. Gautam supports Vasundhara and says that as the father of Prathna's child, he does not want the Shah's involvement. Mahi supports Gautam. Parag says the baby belongs only to Prathna, and if she wants to invite the Shahs, he will do so. Gautam insists that he will name the baby. Prathna opposes him and says the baby belongs to her and Ansh, and they are ready to fight back. Vasundhara scolds Prathna for her decision and speaks against the Shahs. Rajani notices the necklace and says it is the same one. Everyone asks Anupama how she got the necklace back. Anupama talks about the coincidence and says she retrieved the necklace from the same shop where the thief had mortgaged it. Everyone asks for the thief's name. Anupama reveals Ishani's truth and makes her wear the slipper necklace. In today's episode, Anupama tells Ishani that when elders punish children for their mistakes, they are actually questioning their own upbringing. She says that if children are not punished, they do not learn. Anupama firmly states that punishment is necessary. She reveals that Ishani has stolen the necklace from Sarita's locker and bought a car for show-off. Anupama asks Ishani why she could not be like her father Adit or Ansh and why she chose to follow the path of Paritosh and Pakhi instead. She announces Ishani's punishment and asks Rahi to call the police. Ishani apologizes to Anupama, Rajni, Bharti and Varun. Anupama says she tried to bring Ishani onto the right path but failed. She breaks down, blaming Ishani for easily stealing such an expensive necklace. Anupama questions Ishani about the reason behind the theft and asks if it was done for flexing. She says success comes from hard work, not stealing. She further questions Ishani, saying that today she stole for a car and tomorrow she might commit a bigger crime. She asks Ishani to speak the truth. Rahi reveals that Ishani has repeated the same mistake earlier and had once stolen Leela's chain. Hasmukh agrees that Ishani has not learned from her mistakes. Pari questions Ishani, asking if breaking the house was not enough, that she became a thief. Sarita asks Ishani why she was not nervous while blaming her. Preet says Anupama trusted Sarita, otherwise Ishani had planned everything well to trap her. Bharti says the necklace was not just jewelry but an emotion. Ishani tells Anupama that she was under peer pressure and made a mistake. Anupama asks her to stop using fancy words like peer pressure and mental trauma and lectures her further. She then asks Rajni to call the police, calling Ishani the culprit. Ishani and Pakhi apologize to Anupama and Rajni. Pakhi pleads with Rajni to forgive Ishani. Ishani claims she had borrowed the necklace and would have returned it after earning money. She begs Anupama not to send her to jail, fearing her career will be ruined. Anupama asks Rajni not to listen to Ishani or Pakhi. Rajni refuses to call the police. She says that, as Anupama mentioned earlier, elders suffer the most while punishing children. Rajni adds that because of Ishani, she cannot punish Anupama. She decides not to ruin the wedding and gives Ishani one last chance, warning her strictly. Ishani thanks Rajni for giving her another chance. Anupama apologizes to everyone on Ishani's behalf and regrets not being able to give proper upbringing to her children. Leela and Rajni praise Anupama for her values and upbringing. Later, Prathna and Ansh talk over the phone. Prathna informs him that the Shahs are invited to the baby shower. Ansh gets happy and asks about Gautam's reaction. Prathna reveals that Gautam wants to decide the baby's name, which angers Ansh. She says she is upset too, but they need to stay patient to handle Gautam. Rahi regrets troubling Anupama. Prem says he has hurt Rahi. Rahi worries about Divakar, but Prem assures her that he will keep her safe. Divakar declares that Rahi belongs to him and warns that he will remove Prem if he becomes an obstacle. Prem later receives a call and tells Rahi that he was investigating Parag's business. He informs her that the builder is genuine but plans to open a mall by breaking the Chawal, though the name of the project is still undisclosed. Rahi feels relieved. Finally, Rajni asks Leela and Hasmukh to take rest and decides to sit with Anupama to console her. Episode ends.